beautiful little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to create a cool and refreshing summer drink. Grab your markers and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Begin by drawing a simple outline of the drink glass using a black marker. Make sure it's nice and tall. Add a curvy straw extending from the top of the glass. In the top corner of the glass, draw a cute flower with petals. Make it as adorable as you'd like. Give your drink personality by adding eyes and a smiling mouth near the straw. Maybe it's a happy lemonade or a fruity smoothie.
Cool!
Go over your initial lines with the black marker to make them bold and sharp. This will make your drawing stand out. Magic! Show your little viewers the color pens you'll be using. Let's name the colors as we go. Cherry red color. Green color. Pink color. Purple color. Blue color. Navy blue color. Magenta color. Lime green color. Draw bubbles rising from the drink. Yellow color. And there you have it, our delicious summer drink. Remember to stay hydrated and enjoy the sunny days. Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun art tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.